Salamat Samantha and Jervin. Maayong iligan kanatong tanan.
Maayong iligan.
Maayong araw ng kalayaan. First and foremost, my respect to our acting city mayor, atong palakpakan, Honorable Marianito D. Alimanya. Our special guest, our guest of honor, Commander 2nd Mechanized Infantry Brigade, Brigadier General Anton G. Abrina. We also have Police Colonel Jerry Tambis, and also our District Deputy Grand Master, Masonic District Region 10A, Iligan and Lanao del Norte, our worshipful brother Johnny Po, atong palakpakan. My colleague in the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Honorable Councilor Tatay Samuel Huertas, Councilor Shisharvi Shakor, Councilor Ramil Imborong, our IPMR Councilor Kumunog, and Councilor Nicole Kapangpangan, our Chairman of the Grand Triple Day Celebration 2025, our Chairman, Sir Vernie Padilla, atong palakpakan. Thank you so much for your support. Our Chief of Staff, Sir Darwin Manubag, our Tourism Officer, Ma'am Hana Padilla, and our DRRMO Head, Ma'am Armin Aloro, to all the department heads, tinasiguro na ako matagsa-tagsa ang tanan, to all the local government units. Of course, we also have our DILG Director, Ma'am Maida Daniot, to all the national government agencies, to the barangay officials, atong mga barangay kagawad, mga barangay kapitan, they're already properly acknowledged kaganina. Ang atuang mga civic organizations nga naa dinhi karon, ang atuang mga non-government organizations, thank you so much for attending sa atuang pinaka-special nga okasyon karon. Our Jail Inspector of Iligan Jail Female Dormitory, Marivic Vergara, our Iligan City Jail Male Dormitory, Jail Chief Inspector Carmelo Gorsame, our OneSub PNP SAF, Police Lieutenant Colonel Gregorio Siangatag, our Director of 1002 CDC Region 10, Director Lieutenant Romel Edroso, Infantry Philippine Army, our Philippine Navy Commanding Officer, Lieutenant Commander Erenio Hector Dumagin, 62nd Naval Warden Reserve, Commander of Coast Guard District Northern Mindanao, Commodore Dennis Labay, our Philippine Coast Guard, our City Fire Marshal, Superintendent Jack Bigwill, and to all the men in uniform, dili na po siguro na ako matagsa-tagsa ang tanan, kay na-acknowledge naman ganina. Of course, to our sa tanan Iliganon, the proud Filipinos nga naa dinhi karon, once again, maayong iligan kanatong tanan. This day, June 12, is more than just a date. It is a reminder of the heroism of our former leaders, the end of the colonial and abusive rule, and the hope that still lives on every Filipino heart. As we raise our flags high and proud, we do not merely commemorate an event in history. We celebrate the courage, the sacrifice, and the unyielding spirit of our heroes who dreamed of a free and sovereign Philippines. I am deeply honored to welcome all of you, government leaders, civil servants, youth representatives, our brave men and women in uniform, thank you so much for participating sa ato ang military parade. Of course, thank you so much, Sir Chris Macapayag, and the general public. Welcome to this momentous occasion. Your presence today is a testament that freedom is not forgotten, and the patriotism still beats strong in our hearts. Let us remember the powerful words of Dr. Jose Rizal. He who does not know how to look back at where he came from will never get to his destination. As we move forward as a city and as a nation, may we never forget the struggles of the past that brought us here. Independence is not just freedom from colonial rule. It is also freedom from poverty, ignorance, justice, and fear. Ang tinuod nga kagawasan, mao ang abilidad sa katawhan nga mulihok alang sa kaayuhan sa tanan. Kagawasan nga puno sa responsibilidad o pagpaningkamot. To my fellow Iliganons, dili lang ni selebrasyon sa kasaysayan, kini usa ka panawagan nga atong ipadayon ang pagpakigbisog sa panaghiusa, kalinaw o kalambuan. To our youth, ang atuang mga kabatanunan nga aniya karon, you are not just the hope of the nation. You are its present. Get involved. Speak. Serve. You are the legacy our heroes dreamed of. To my fellow public servants, let us lead not with power, but with purpose. Not with ego, but with empathy. May this day inspire us to serve the people and to protect the freedom our heroes gave their lives for. Let us continue striving for progress, unity, and peace for our beloved city. Once again, welcome to the 127th Philippine Independence Day celebration. Mabuhay ang Iligan, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang kalayaan. Maayong buntag, maayong Iligan.